In this video, we are going to learn about Python Dictionary. For the ease of understanding, you can think of Python Dictionary just like the address book where you find the person's details by knowing only his or her name. So, what do is, we associate keys, in this case, name, with the values, that is the details of the person. So, because of this association, we are able to retrieve the details by just knowing the keys. Now, to be able to work efficiently, the key must be unique. Well, it's just like in real-world address book, if you have got two people with the exact same name in your address book, it is very difficult to find the correct information. Now that you have the background about the dictionary, so what I'll do is, I'll now create a Python dictionary like this. So guys, to illustrate, I'll create a Python dictionary of the people and their email IDs. So, my address is equal to phil@gmail.com, j@gmail.com, gloria@gmail.com, claire@yahoo.com, and cameron@yahoo.com. As you can see in the example of Python dictionary which I have written, first visual thing you can easily find out is we create the Python dictionary with curly braces. And inside the curly braces, we specify the pair of keys and values. Observe here, we separate the keys and values with the use of colon. Can you see? Yes. In the first line, I have separated the key Phil and the value phil@gmail.com with the use of colon. And these pairs are separated by commas. That's it. So guys, now let's print the dictionary which we have just created. So print my address. So we have the output like this. With all the learnings till now, I can now define the Python dictionary formally as a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. It is written within the curly braces and they have the keys and values. And guys, we can also apply the len method to return the number of values in Python dictionary. So what I'll do is, I'll write as len my address. See, we have the output as 5. And guys, like I said already, we can retrieve the value associated with the key name by calling it. So let's say I want to return the email address of Gloria. So in that case, I'll call it like this, my address, Gloria. So this has written the value associated with the key Gloria. And we can also modify the value by making use of indexing operator. Let's say I want to modify the email address of Claire. In that case, I'll call as my address Claire is equal to modify email@gmail.com. So guys, now if I print the dictionary, it will have the updated email address of Claire like this. Print my address. See, we have got the modified email address here for Claire. So we can also add a new value to a dictionary, that too by specifying a new key with the value. So to illustrate the same, I'll add the key as Luke and add his email address to the dictionary like this. My address Luke is equal to luke@yahoo.com. Now, if I print the dictionary, it will have the entry as Luke with his email ID like this. So what I'll do is I'll just print my address. See, we got the output as expected. And now, if we print the type of dictionary, then this is of type class dict. Type my address. See, now we can also delete an entry in dictionary with the use of del keyword, that is delete keyword. So to illustrate, I'll delete the entry of Cameron from our dictionary like this. Delete my address Cameron. Now I'll just print my address. See, After executing the code, we can observe that the entry with Cameron has been deleted from the dictionary. So guys, this completes the data structures in Python. In the next video, let's learn about the conditional statements in Python.